Okay, now that I've made the dough, the peanut butter cookie dough, and I've preheated the oven, I'm going to use this small ice cream scoop Oops, that one's a little too big. Oh, and by the way, it doesn't seem to be working, but I sprayed this with cooking spray, so it won't stick, but it's sticking. Using this little ice cream scoop makes it really easy and fast to dispense the cookie dough. I like to do the crisscross with a fork. Press it down a little bit. And then a little bit of sugar. A little bit of sugar for our health. Alright, the oven should be preheated to 375. So we'll bake it at 375 for 10 minutes. And then we'll get our next batch going. We'll get our next batch prepared. Alright, the first batch should be done. Let's take a look. They look pretty good. Second batch goes in. You like cookies? Can you see my cooking assistant? We'll just pan over and take a quick look. She's my taste tester. That's how our taste tester tastes a cookie, because she deserves it. There we go.